Hello, today I am at the playground. I saw 2 slides, and there were rings, ready to slide. Let's see what happens next. Look, the blue and green rings collide. Wow, that's really exciting. Oh, no. The plate spilled the rings. I wonder how many rings there are. Let's count the green ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we continue counting the blue rings. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, there are 20 rings. There are 10 green rings, and 10 blue rings. This is a great day. We can count to 20. Let's count the objects around us. Happy counting! Please, like, and subscribe this channel.